Hi everyone. In software project management, we are going to see the topic importance of software project management. So, introduction to software project management. Project management is a discipline of defining and achieving targets while optimizing the use of resources such as time, money, people, materials, energy, space, etc. over the course of a project. So, a set of activities of finite duration. So, why is project management important? What is the need of project management? Because large amount of money are spent on ICT, that is information and communication technology. A huge amount of money is spent on this. For example, in the UK government in 2003 and 4 spent 2.3 billion pounds on contracts for ICT, and in this only 1.4 billion pounds for road building. So the difference between the budget spent for ICT and the road building. For ICT is 2.3 billion pounds, and for road building it's 1.4 billion pounds. So projects often fail. Standish Group claim only a third of ICT projects are successful. So only 1/3 projects are successful. That is 82% were late. Because of late they failed, and 43% exceeded their budget. So the huge amount of budget is spent on ICT, but the projects are failed by 1/3. So in order to come out of this, we are having project management system. That is, poor project management is a major factor in these failures. So here the comparison, 1 billion is 1 billion pound equal to 100 crores. So software development life cycle. Next one is software development life cycle. The software development life cycle is a methodology that also forms the framework for planning and controlling the creation, testing, and delivery of an information system. The software development lifecycle concept acts as a foundation for multiple different development and delivery methodologies such as hardware development lifecycle and software development lifecycle. So, four project dimensions. One is people, second one is process, third one is product, and fourth one is technology. So these are the 4 project dimensions: people, process, product, and technology. And the 5 variables of project control. One is time, the amount of time required to complete the project. And second one is cost, calculated from the time variable. And third one is quality, the amount of time spent to put into individual task determines the overall quality of the project. And fourth one is scope, that is requirements specified for the end result. And fifth one is risk, potential points of failures. So the 5 variables of project control. One is time, second one is cost, third one is quality, fourth one is scope, and fifth one is risk. And importance of software project management. Software is said to be an intangible product. Software development is a kind of all new stream in world business, and has very little experience in building software products, but because each and every software for a client is independent. It is an individual. So we cannot copy the software from one client to another client. So every client wants to have their own software. So we need software project management. And most software products are tailor-made to fit clients' requirements. And the most important is that the underlying technology changes and advances so frequently and rapidly that experience of one product may not be applied to another one. All such business and environmental constraints bring risk in software development. Hence, it is essential to managers of software projects efficiently. And trade-off triangle. So, this is a trade-off triangle. Time one side, cost another side, and scope another side. The triangle illustrates the relationship between three primary forces in the project. Time is an available time to deliver the project. Cost represents the amount of money or resources available, and quality represents the fit to purpose that the project must achieve to be a success. So this is a trade-off triangle, and three constraints are time, cost, and scope. The normal situation is that one of these factors is fixed and another two will vary in inverse proportion to each other. For example, time is often fixed and the quality of the end product will depend on the cost or resources available. Similarly, if you are working to a fixed level of quality, then the cost of the project will largely be dependent upon the time variable. Project definition. So what is the definition of a project? What is a project? Some dictionary definitions are: project is a specific plan or design, a planned undertaking, a large undertaking, for example, a public works scheme. So job versus projects. So job here, job is there, projects is there, and exploration is there. So what is a job? The repetition of very well defined and well understood tasks with very little uncertainty. A regular job, a teaching job, or a private job like that. And exploration, finding, for example, finding a cure for cancer, a new one. The outcome is very uncertain. And projects are in the middle between jobs and exploration. Jobs, very little uncertainty. Task is well defined and there is little uncertainty. So this is task. Then software process management versus software project management. Process management versus project management. Then projects. Projects seem to come somewhere between these two extremes. There are usually well-defined hope for outcomes, but there are risks and uncertainties about achieving those outcomes. A software project can be defined as planned activity that describes we are going to carry out a task before we start. It is a planned activity about developing a software before actually design and implement it. Examples of software projects: putting a robot vehicle on Mars to search for signs of life. Relative novelty of projects. International nature of the project. Successful achievement of the project from engineering point of view in the safe landing of a robot, not the discovery of signs of life. Characteristics of a project. A task mode project like FATS, not routine, planned, aiming at a specific target, carried out for a customer, carried out by a temporary work group, involving several specializations, made up of several different phases. Thank you.